An extra. This is the meat platter. Ooh la la, look at all of that, wow. So there's my ribs, like a little ice cream. Okay, so here's my little cheeseburger. Okay, so here's my food baked. So as you can see, it's like the full English breakfast. Okay, so this is La Plancha. You can see it's absolutely packed full with people. Also have an hour. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is 3 fabulous restaurants right here in Seminyak. Okay, so the 3 restaurants that are going to be featured in today's video, I've eaten at multiple occasions during my 12-year stay here in Bali. All of them are also located in different areas of Seminyak. There's going to be one that's featured in a video located on the beach at Seminyak. You're going to also have another one that's called Corner House. I'll give you the name now, which has outstanding deals available via Instagram. Watch the video to see the details on that. All of the 3 restaurants that are going to be featured in the video all serve clean and safe to eat food. I've eaten at every restaurant that's going to be featured on multiple occasions and never ever once had any problems. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you 3 fabulous restaurants here in Seminyak. Okay, so here's Seminyak Village shopping mall directly in front of the camera. Today I'm going to have my lunch at this place here called Baked. Just on the corner, so you have some seating overlooking the road. So you have a nice collection of tables and chairs here. Okay, so there's the name, Baked. So this is the main entrance. You can see the Seminyak Village shopping sign there. This is the main entrance to Seminyak Village shopping mall. So you can see we have a good few customers outside here, sat at the front, overlooking the street.
I'm not going to chase it.
Now we'll just take you inside Baked. So as soon as we step foot inside, someone's having some delicious drinks there. You can see it's very, very busy inside here also. So here's a coffee counter area here. This is a main service counter area up in the top here. See, it's a lot of customers there waiting to get served. Making all of the pastries and things in the back here. So we can squeeze past. Croissants 27k, chocolate croissant 27, also coconut croissant, almond. Okay, so here's a look at the menu here at Baked. So I've just ordered the champs, which is like a full breakfast. It's 105k that. Very difficult to see the menu. I'll take a picture. Here's all of our drinks. Coffee's up at the top there. So I've had the smoothie here, the yogurt, strawberry and banana smoothie. Okay, so here's my food baked. So as you can see, it's like the full English breakfast. And the bacon, the mini little sausage there, the egg, tomato, some of the sourdough bread. I've ordered an almond croissant also. And and there's my banana and strawberry smoothie. So here's a gentleman that's just sat opposite me now on the table. He's ordered the meat pie with peas. Has a pistachio pastry there also, and an orange juice. Okay, we'll just try this beautiful smoothie. Oh, that's good. Let's tuck into this breakfast now. Some of the beans. Oh yeah, the bacon and the sausage are so tasty. Real distinguishable taste. So look at the sausage. It's just really, really super tasty. What a breakfast that is. Wow. For late lunch. Here's a look at my breakfast now. I'm halfway through it. You can see the size of the bread, super thick. Eggs, delicious. Bacon, superb. Sausage. All of it's just so, so good. Okay, that was absolutely magnificent food. And we're on to this almond croissant. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Wow. Flavour is just so. Oh, that is a good croissant. Super soft, a little bit crispy on the outside, super soft centre. Okay, so here's my total bill for my food. Had the for champs, like all you breakfast, strawberry smoothie, almond croissant. 228k total. Okay, so this is PLANCHA. You can see it's absolutely packed full with people. As I said, there is a 150k minimum spend. You can see it's so busy. There's servers, some sellers also. It's just so busy here. Okay, so now I'm just at the back of the beach here at PLANCHA. See, it's just so busy. All the food going out there. Those are the pizzas. We also have an inside seating restaurant. You don't want to sit on the beach. So have an inside seating area. Okay, so here's the menu here at PLANCHA. There's some of the juices and drinks and things. Here's your cocktails and also your beers here. Here's your bintang. And some of your food. I've had the PLANCHA cheeseburger pack there. I've also had the pizza margarita 100. Some tapas. Okay, so here's my food. I've ordered the margarita pizza, a healthy beet drink, and then we also have my burger package as well there. Cheers. So here's my heartbeat. This is called apple, beetroot, carrot, ginger, orange. Oh la la, that's super tasty. Okay, so here's my little cheeseburger. Oh, that's nice. Some fries, tomato sauce. So I'll try this pizza now. Yeah, just standard cheese margherita pizza. Oh, very nice. So you can also get fresh coconut here as well, the PLANCHA. Oh, that's my favourite, that. Okay, so here's my bill here at La Plancha. It says for 2 persons, 343,970. Okay, so directly across the street, this is the restaurant I'm going to be dining at tonight. This is a place called Corner House, very, very popular restaurant this, on a very popular tourist street of Jalan, Kayu. We're cut across the street now in amongst all of this traffic. All the menus outside here. I do have a promo menu. I'll just show you the name. Lots of things going on here. AFL Grand Final day. And here's the main entrance. As soon as we step foot inside, you can see it's loaded with customers. Very, very busy all around. Also have an outside seating area. Just by the roadside there. Okay, so here's the menu here at Corner House. It's a very, very big menu, so I'm just going to take the photos and add it to the video. Just give you some idea. So there's the specials for 2. Okay, so here's my food at Corner House. So here's my, I've ordered additional garlic bread. This is an extra. This is the meat platter. Ooh la la, look at all of that, wow. Lots going on in there. So much food. There's my immune booster drink. Just give this garlic bread a sample first. Super garlicky. Cheers. So I have some burgers here. There's a chicken burger. Got some onions and sauce, very tasty. These are the onion rings. A little bit greasy then. Have a chicken wings here. Oh, that's a beautiful sauce. Let's get this little rack of ribs. So there's my ribs, like a little ice cream. And bits of bone in there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, tasty. Rations of bacon. It's good also. Okay, we'll have a little cut into this sausage and mash now. A sausage mashed potato. Ah, it's so good. Have some fries. Fries are hidden under the steak there. Let's have a little cut into the steak. I've had my steak well done. Oh yeah, it's nice and easy to cut as well. Oh my God. Okay, next I'm going to try the chicken parma. This is a huge piece of chicken on the side here. Chicken breast, looks fabulous. Yeah, that's super tasty as well. So just a look now, I'm a little bit through it. So this is the chicken parma on the side here. The ribs are absolutely beautiful. Sausage is also good. There's my fries. The beef steak, absolutely fabulous as well. Smoky bacon. A little bit of my burger still to go. Onion rings. All is very, very good. And there's the total bill, $364,958. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my introduction to 3 fabulous restaurants here in the Seminyak area of Bali. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, all of the restaurants featured are very, very popular restaurants, judging by the number of customers at each and every restaurant. Also, you could see the food is exceptional quality. You're not going to have any problems at any of the restaurants that I featured in this video. I've been multiple occasions and never once have I experienced any problems with the food at any of the restaurants. So hopefully some of you find this video useful, and maybe if you're staying in the Seminyak area of Bali, I highly recommend that you pay these restaurants a visit, and I shall say bye for now.